Well, science, subject mathematics and statistics, part 2nd, chapter number 5, application of definite integrations. Dear students, we are studying the examples of application of definite integration. In last lecture, we studied theory part and 11 examples of application of definite integration. And next example, number 12, using integration, find the area of the region bounded by the line 2y plus x equal to 8, x-axis, and the lines x equal to 2 and x equal to 4. Here we have to given the line 2y plus x equal to 8. Take a points on the line and draw the line. Here is, suppose x equal to 0, then y equal to 4. X equal to 1, then suppose x equal to 2, then 2y equal to 6 and y equal to 3. Draw such a points, then we get the line 2y plus x equal to 8. Also the given lines are x equal to 2 and x equal to 4, which are parallel to y-axis. Therefore, area bounded by this line and the lines x equal to 2, x equal to 4 shown by shaded area. Solution. The required region is bounded by the lines 2y plus x equal to 8 and x equal to 2, x equal to 4 and x-axis. Here we have found bounded area about the x-axis. Therefore, we use the formula y dx. Use the limit 2 to 4. This line 2y plus x equal to 8. Therefore, find value of y. Take x on RHS, then 2y equal to 8 minus x. Here is multiple 2. Take RHS as 1 divided by 2. Therefore, y equal to 1 divided by 2 into 8 minus x. And the limits are x equal to 2 to x equal to 4. Therefore, the required area equal to area of the shaded region. Here is integration 2 to 4 y dx. 2 to 4. Value of y is 1 divided by 2 into 8 minus x. 1 divided by 2 is a constant term. Integration of first term then second term. 8 take outside. Integration of dx is x minus. Integration of x is x square divided by 2. We use upper limit minus lower limit. 1 by 2 constant take outside. Use upper limit, that is 4. 8 into 4 minus 4 square divided by 2 minus. Lower limit is 2. 8 into 2 minus 2 square divided by 2. Simplifying, we get 5 square unit. Hence, shaded area, that is the required area, is 5 square unit. Example number 13. Find the area of the regions bounded by the following curve, the x-axis, and the given lines y equal to x square, x equal to 1, x equal to 3. Here is the upward parabola. Here is x square equal to y. The given lines are x equal to 1, x equal to 3, which are parallel to y-axis. The area bounded by the parabola and the lines is shown by shaded area. Here is the area about the x-axis, therefore we use y dx. Formula is y dx. Limit from x 1 to 3. Solution. Let A be the required area, A equal to 1 to 3 y dx. 1 to 3. Value of y is x square dx. Integration of x square is x cube divided by 3. Is 1 by 3 constant, take outside. Upper limit, then lower limit. Upper limit is 3, therefore 3 cube minus 1 cube. 3 cube is 27 minus 1. 27 minus 1 is 26 divided by 3. Hence required area equal to 26 divided by 3 square unit. Example number 14. Find the area of the regions bounded by the following curve, the x-axis and the given lines y square equal to 4x, x equal to 1, x equal to 4, y is greater than equal to 0. Here the given is right-handed parabola. The curve is right-handed parabola and the lines x equal to 1 and x equal to 4 are parallel to y-axis. Here is right-handed parabola y square equal to 4x. The lines x equal to 1 is parallel to y-axis. Also x equal to 4 parallel to y-axis. Area bounded by the parabola and the lines are shown by shaded area. We have to find this area. Area about the x-axis, therefore use the formula y dx and limit from 1 to 4. Solution. Let A be the required area, A equal to 1 to 4 y dx, 1 to 4. Y is, here is 2 root x dx. 2 is a constant term, take outside, then integration of root x. Root x means degree of x is 1 by 2, hence is integration x raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Take 2 by 3 on numerator. Limit from 1 to 4. Here is 2 into 2, 4 divided by 3, take outside. Then use upper limit minus lower limit. 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 raised to 3 by 2. 4 is 2 square. 2 cancel, then 2 cube is 8 minus 1 raised to 3 by 2 is 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 into 4 is 28 divided by 3. Hence the required area equal to 28 divided by 3 square units. Example number 15. Find the area of the regions bounded by the following curve, the x-axis and the given lines y equal to sin x, limit from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 is minus pi by 2. Then sin of minus pi by 2 is equal to minus 1. We know that sin of 0 is equal to 0. Sin pi by 2 equal to 1. Also, take other points. Then we draw y equal to sin x. Limits from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Area bounded by this curve and the lines are two areas. One is below the x-axis and one is above the x-axis. From below the x-axis, take the limit minus pi by 2 to 0. Above the x-axis, take the limit 0 to pi by 2 and find the required areas. Solution. Let A be the required area, A equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 y dx. Here is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin x dx equal to minus pi by 2 to 0 sin x dx, the area below the x-axis. 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx, area above the x-axis. Integration of sin x is minus cos x, limit minus pi by 2 to 0. Integration of sin x is minus cos x, limit 0 to pi by 2. Minus take outside, then upper limit minus lower limit. Cos of 0 minus cos of minus pi by 2 plus. Here is also take minus outside, then upper limit minus lower limit. Cos pi by 2 minus cos of 0 minus. Value of cos 0 is equal to 1 minus. Cos of minus pi by 2, its value is 0 plus. Minus take outside, value of cos pi by 2 is 0 minus. Cos of 0 is equal to 1. Here is minus 1. Mod of minus 1 is equal to plus 1. Minus minus plus 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Hence the required area equal to 2 square unit. Example number 16. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y square equal to 16x and the line x equal to 4. Here we have to given the right-handed parabola y square equal to 16x and the line x equal to 4. We draw y square equal to 16x, that is right-handed parabola, and the line is x equal to 4. Here C is a point on the x-axis. Draw PQ parallel to y-axis, that is passing from the point C is 4, 0. That is the line x equal to 4. Also we denote by PCQ. Then we have to find this required area. Parabola is symmetric about the x-axis, therefore two regions are same. We have to find area about the x-axis, hence formula we have to use is y dx. Limit take 0 to 4. Y square equal to 16x. Then we take it y equal to plus minus 4 root x. A equal to area POCP plus area QOCQ. These two areas equal to 2 into area of POCQ OCP equal to 2. Area POCP, that is area under this curve. We use YDX. Value of y is 4 root x. 2 into integration 0 to 4 root x dx. 8. 4 into 2 is 8 root x. That is degree of x is 1 by 2. We use the formula of x raised to n, that is x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. We get x raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Take 2 by 3 on numerator. Limit is 0 to 4. 8 into 2 16 divided by 3. We use upper limit minus lower limit. 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 0 raised to 3 by 2. Here is 4 raised to 3 by 2. We use 2 square. 2 cancel, then 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 0 is 8. 16 into 8 is 128 divided by 3. Hence required area A equal to 128 divided by 3 square units. Thank you.